All right, today we're going to be reviewing the skull. With the skull, we will have a frontal view, we will have a side view, and then we will also have a posterior view. Looking here at the frontal view, we can see we have the frontal bone. This bone lies over the forehead. We have your nasal bone. This one would form the bridge of your nose. We have a bone that forms your cheekbones. This is known as your zygomatic bone with a Z. We have two bones that form your upper jaw and your lower jaw. We have the maxilla and we have the mandible. Let's review that again. We have the frontal bone that sits over the forehead. We have the nasal bone that forms the bridge of the nose. We have your cheekbone that is called your zygomatic bone. We have your upper jaw, which is known as the maxilla, and we have your lower jaw, which is known as the mandible. Looking from a side view or a lateral view, going to the top of the skull, we have what's called the parietal bone. We have two of them. We have one on each side. These form the roof of your skull cap. This is the parietal bone with a P. Another bone from the side view that we see here is your temporal bone. This temporal bone houses your internal ear structures. So you can see this opening right here. That is where you would stick your Q-tip in to clean your ear. This is the temporal bone. On the posterior side of the skull here, we have what's called the occipital bone. And you can also see just on top of that is your two parietal bones.